If you're an experienced professional who wants clients, not a high follower count, this might be the most important video that you watch today. I grew my consulting business to over $400,000 a year working part-time hours without relying on social media as my main source of business. I'm going to show you exactly how to get to $10,000 a month without an audience, without ads, and without spending 6 months posting before you've even earned a single dollar. At the end of it, you'll have 4 proven, time-tested ways to generate revenue without selling your soul to social media. I've also got an amazing resource for you that my team and I spent over 20 hours building, and it's going to give you my step-by-step path to get to $10,000 in 30 days without building an audience. You can download it for free via the first link in the description. So grab it and let's dive in. Here's the trap I see so many smart, experienced professionals fall into again and again. They decide that they want to build a business and they're ready, and then somebody like a course creator or guru or a well-meaning peer tells them first, you need to build an audience. So they start posting on LinkedIn or YouTube or Instagram or TikTok or X, and every single day they're showing up and the revenue isn't coming in. So here's what's helpful to remember if you've been in this position. If your goal is to get premium clients and predictable income, you do not need mass appeal. You just need the right people, and that should feel like a massive relief. So the question is, if you don't need an audience to get your first clients, how do you actually get them? There are 4 pathways, and I'm going to walk you through each of them in this video. And it's helpful to keep in mind that you don't even need to do all 4 at once. So start with one that feels appealing to you and then get traction, and then layer in the next, because the sequence matters so much more than speed. Pathway 1 is your existing network. You have spent years, maybe decades, building professional relationships with former colleagues, past clients, people who have seen your work firsthand. That network is a gold mine, and most people just want to walk right past it because they're so busy trying to get strangers on the internet to pay attention to them. So here's the exercise I give every single one of my students inside of Expert Freedom on day 1. Make a list of 50 people in your existing network who could either benefit from your expertise or know someone who could. And I watch so many people resist this when I suggest it. They say, I don't know 50 people. And I say, go through your LinkedIn connections, go through your phone, think about former colleagues, past clients, professional associations, even people you've met at events. Every single time they come back with a list of not just 50, but 100. A lot of people have resistance to this because they don't want to reach out to people that they know. They don't want to be salesy and they don't want to be pushy. So it's helpful to keep in mind that you are not reaching out to these people to pitch to them. You're reaching out to them to have a conversation. You want to say something like, hey, I'm launching a new business, helping type of business owner with specific outcome. I'd love your feedback on how I'm positioning it and if it would be helpful to somebody like you. Would you be open to a 15 or 20-minute call? There's a saying that I have found to be absolutely true in my own business and in the business of thousands of my students. And Pitbull even said it best in his song, Feel This Moment. Ask for money and get advice. Ask for advice, get money twice. This means when you approach your network with genuine curiosity, when you listen more than you talk, you will be amazed as to how quickly those conversations turn into clients. Because the right 50 people in your existing network are worth more than 50,000 strangers on social media every single time. Pathway 2 is win-win partnerships. You don't need to build your own audience if you can borrow somebody else's trust with their audience. I call this win-win partnerships, and I wrote an entire best-selling book about this concept. Here's the core idea. If you can borrow the trust that others have with their audience, it is a shortcut to them trusting you. Think about other service providers who serve the same clients that you want to serve, but don't do what it is that you do. So if you're a marketing strategist, that might be a fractional CFO, an operations consultant, a bookkeeper, a business attorney. These people are already in the room with your ideal client, and they're already trusted. And they're constantly in conversations where your name could come up. So here's a real example from my student community. One of my students is a growth strategist. So she reached out to 3 fractional CFOs and simply said, when your clients hit a revenue ceiling and you can see that it's a marketing or sales problem, not a finance problem, I'd love to be the person that you refer them to, and I'd be happy to do the same for you. Within 60 days, 2 of those CFOs had sent her a client each. She didn't post a single piece of content and she didn't run a single ad. And here's the cheat code when it comes to referrals that a lot of people don't really talk about. Referred clients close faster. They follow your advice. They stay longer. They're easier to work with because they were hand delivered to you by somebody who already trusts you. One good strategic partnership can outperform months or even years of daily posting. Pathway 3 is local clients and in-person networking. This one really surprises people, but local clients are one of the fastest, most underrated ways to build your pipeline. In your local market, you're not competing with thousands of voices on LinkedIn. You can have coffee, you can show up at a chamber event, you can speak at a local industry group, and the trust you build in person in a single conversation takes months to replicate online. I had a student who built her entire first $20,000 month from local clients. And this is before she even created a website or announced her business on LinkedIn. What she did is she just started with a list of 100 businesses in her area that she thought she could help, and she started showing up where they hang out. And she was at a networking event, started a real conversation with the owner of a large real estate company, mentioned what she did, and they hired her within 24 hours. They hired her because that business owner was already on her list. She had already been intentional about being in the right rooms. If you're at a coffee shop watching this, your next client might be in the same room as you right now. Pathway 4 is search-based content. So please know, I am not anti-content. I built a content-based business. My content reaches over 1 million views a month across all the different platforms. But search-based content, YouTube videos, blogs, long-form posts, Substack posts, works because they answer real questions that real people are actively searching for. And the best answers come from experience, not theory. So unlike social media posts that disappear in 24 hours or 48 hours, a well-made YouTube video compounds over time. Videos I made years ago still generate discovery calls for my business every single week. Search-based content works because it answers the questions that people are already actively searching for, and it best answers those questions from a place of experience. So once you've worked with clients, you know what the real sales objections are, the real sticking points, where transformation happens, and you can speak to exactly where your ideal client is and what they're likely typing into the search bar at 11 p.m. because they can't sleep because they're stuck. So here's what I really want you to know from this video. You do not need thousands of followers to build a business that gives you your life back. And I want you to really just think about, what does $10,000 a month actually require? If you're charging $3,000 or $4,000 or $5,000 a month per client, which is a very reasonable rate for advisory work, you need 3 or 4 clients. That's 3 or 4 clients, not 3,000 or 4,000 followers. And those 3 or 4 clients, they're probably in your network right now, and they're likely one conversation away. The only reason why you haven't found them yet is that you've been probably looking in the wrong place. You've been trying to get popular when you should be focused on getting paid. So here's what I want you to do today, not someday, right now. Grab a piece of paper and write down 10 people in your existing network who could either benefit from your expertise or who might know somebody who could. Start with 10. Don't pitch them, just reach out, start a conversation. Ask what's hard for them right now and approach it with genuine curiosity. And if you want the full roadmap, the exact roadmap that I use to take experienced professionals from 0 clients to $10,000 months using their existing network and expertise, I have that free resource link below. And it'll walk you through exactly what to do in your first 30 days to get your first paying clients without building a single piece of content. So I want you to grab it and use it. And if you found this video helpful, you're going to love the next one on how I built a $32,000 a month consulting business step by step. I'll see you over there.